How to add clickable links in Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how to add clickable links in Instagram Reels. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. Then once you open your Instagram app, you need to go to your profile on the bottom right corner. Then once you're here, you can see the plus icon on the top right corner. You can tap it. Then create a reel. Here you can choose any reel that you want to post. Example, I'm going to post this one for the video purposes. Next thing you want to do is to click the text icon. And then example here, I'm going to type any link. Then you can place it anywhere. But unfortunately, people can see this to your reel, but it's not a clickable link. They can only go to Google and search the link you type in. What you can do another is you can remove this link you type. Then go to sticker tab icon. Then type link. And you can choose whatever sticker you like here. I'm gonna go choose this one. And then what you're gonna do is to click next. Type your link you wanna post. And that's how you add clickable links in Instagram Reels. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon on the next video.